Hey, what's up guys? How are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. Today is my first flight and I'm excited about it. And this video is not just about my first flight. This video is all about my persistence in fulfilling my dream. I can do this 6 years ago, but I chose not to. My parents can afford a flight ticket, but I chose not to go with their money. With my YouTube earnings and other earnings, I bought a ticket for my first flight and I'm happy about it. And if you had a dream and try your level best, you can do it. Let's enjoy the vlog. Hey, what's up guys? How are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. I have a flight to catch today. These are the things I'm carrying. I'm taking my camera with me. Empty bag, camera bag, charger, power bank, earphones, USB-C adapter and vlogging tripod and boarding pass, self-help declaration form and bag tags if I take any extra bag. And nothing else I need to carry. Moving, I need to take outing as well, out pass as well. This is the letter. Let's go. Got the outpass, heading towards the mess. Uttapam, and here is JB and Tarun. It's 9:57 now and I'm reaching the main gate. I'm out now and this is our route map. First I need to go to Nuzvid, mostly by auto, and to Vijayawada from Nuzvid via bus. I don't know what to do next. Let's find out there. Very hot outside and I don't feel like having full course. Instead, I had my lunch with a fruit salad and a cup of juice. I inquired in the bus counter about the route to airport. They suggested me to go on a bus with the platform X to Gannavaram. Most of the bus is empty. I was busy on calls from customers for Infi prints. You know what? I started a printing business in college. A crazy thing. No one did that before. Infi prints. To know the story, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the video. After around 15 minutes of journey, I finally reached the gate of the Vijayawada airport based near Gannavaram. It's around 1 to 2 kilometers from gate to the main airport. You can go either by bus or auto. As of now, no buses available. The only way I have is auto. And the fare is 100 rupees for the auto and 30 rupees for toll. Pretty expensive for 2 kilometers. My first time visit to an airport. You need a valid photo document proof, that is PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport, etc. Empty all the sides. This is waiting area. Most of the equipment here is out of service. This is bathroom. Who even shows bathroom? They are clean and equipped with sensors. These sensor taps are everywhere nowadays. And this drinking water fountain is an interesting art piece. You can carry a bag with you and if you have additional baggage, you can submit there and it will be available for you after you land. It's time we go to the security check before you board the aeroplane and enter the final waiting hall. You can see all the available stores, etc. etc. Charging station, smoking area, cafeteria. Everything is expensive here. I'm waiting for my flight.
I repeat, passengers seated between 1 to 12, please kindly come forward and board the aircraft through the gate number 6. Remaining passengers, please be seated until further boarding announcement. Thank you.
By the way, the bus is equipped with AC and it's included in the flight ticket, and you don't need to pay anything extra. The plane fare is 3700 from Vijayawada airport to Visakapatnam airport, additional 100 rupee fare for check-in. This is a small plane for small distances. Cabin crew welcomes you on board. You can place your luggage bag in this cabin provided above the seat. Most of the time I shoot with my mobile because of its convenience and ease of usage. If you need any assistance, you can click the button on top of your seat and crew is ready to serve you. I just wanted to test it out. They will come or not. They came in less than 10 seconds. Actually, I was holding my camera and shooting the process. The cabin crew came to me and asked me to not to shoot in the plane.
Inside the cabin is not allowed. Okay.
You will have a manual in every seat that tells you about some emergency cases. Before the plane starts, the crew will also explain you some emergency cases, etc. and some announcements.
Boarding complete. साथ यात्रा कर रहे धन्यवाद. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we welcome you on flight 6E7128. We will take 50 minutes to reach Vizag. The crew in the flight are the Captain Guru Prasad, First Officer Shalaka Pradhan. In the cabin is Erika and I'm Jyotsna, your lead cabin crew member. Our crew today speak English, Hindi and Nepali. We are truly elated to have you back on board with us today. Thank you.
After that, they will ask you to fasten your seatbelts and ready for takeoff. Enjoy the ride. You will feel nothing is moving. The clouds will be static and very less movement, and completely becomes white after you reach certain height. When the plane gains some elevation, they will announce you may remove your seatbelt and your refreshments will come. They offered me a free water bottle, but when I asked for a paper boat, which is 10 rupees, here, can you guess what's the cost there? 130 rupees. I said, I'm okay with water. And you can buy pretty cheap stuff there, like a sandwich for 400 rupees, cashews for 500 rupees. The experience in the plane is pretty average. The whole cabin is air conditioned and it's like you are sitting in an engine room without headphones, and that shaky sound is coming throughout your journey. And if you have a headset, you'll be set. It's a short flight of 50 minutes, so not a problem, and it's my first flight, so no complaints.
अपने सामने वाले यात्रियों से पर्याप्त दूरी बनाए रखें। ये आपके और आपके सहयात्रियों की सुरक्षा के लिए है। धन्यवाद। Please maintain safe distance from the person in front of you when moving towards the exit.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, आपका चेक इन का सामान बेल्ट नंबर 2 में उपलब्ध होगा। You may collect your checked in baggage from belt number 2. Thank you.
It was just a short flight of 50 minutes. I'm out from the airport and I'm hungry. The cabs will be expensive here in the airport, so I'll walk to the main road and go to the nearest food point first. This is Eater Stop. Ambience is nice. I ordered Szechuan fried chicken wings. It was juicy and tasty. For the price, I can give 5 stars to it. Then I booked a Rapido bike, which is most economical option. It's just 12 rupees for the ride. Super cheap. Then I headed towards Nasipatnam. It's 90-kilometer bus journey. And from there on auto, my village is 6 kilometers. I reached my home. This is a new home under construction. We are staying in this house. We'll share the story soon. Meet you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring infinity.